Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 26 July. On the front page you have this news, Imran Khan's party forges ahead in Pakistan polls. So this is regarding Pakistan general elections. So Imran Khan's party, Tehreek-e-Insaf, is seen to be winning the elections now. Second is, two hang in Kerala for death of man in custody. So this is a special CBI court which has announced death sentence for two policemen, police officers who are accused of death of a man in custody. Then on page 3 you have this news, Haryana moves Supreme Court seeking early hearing in SYL case. So this is regarding Satluj Yamuna Link Canal case. It's a very old case and has been prominently in news for quite some time earlier, and now it has come in news again, so you should know about it in detail. So this is important. Then on page 5 you have this news, Sabri Malaysia ban not based on misogyny, means nothing against the woman. So the DT here is called to be celibate. So that is why restrictions are imposed on women is the justification given here. We know the Supreme Court is hearing this case of Sabri Malaysia temple entry for women. So this is arguments in that case being put forth here. So that's important. Then down here you have this news, no discrimination in giving aid, says Center. So these are allegations being made that Center is discriminating in providing relief or fund for disaster relief as such. So this disaster relief fund assistance provided to various states, there is discrimination here. We have seen even Kerala, there are floods in Kerala. Kerala Chief Minister had reached up to Delhi to protest and demand for assistance from the center. So this is regarding that. Then on page 7 you have this news, Nilgiri mountain train gets a cool new look. So this is UNESCO's part of UNESCO's World Heritage Site list. So you should know about the developments which are taking place here. This is regarding the Nilgiri mountain train, which is more than 100 years old now. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial is Detention No Cure. So this is regarding Right to Education Act, the no detention policy specifically. So the amendment which has been proposed, that has been discussed here in this editorial. This is important. And the second editorial is Sanctions Relief. So this is regarding Carta, the act of USA, countering American adversaries through Sanctions Act. So this here some leeway should be provided for India, because this is actually this act, under it USA would take action against countries or puts restrictions against countries which are having defense relations with its adversaries. Specifically it is targeted at Russia. So India-Russia defense relations are still strong, though they have declined, and USA has also emerged as a prominent defense partner. But some exemptions should be provided, some relief should be provided for India has been demanded. So this is an editorial regarding that. The lead article here is regarding the Sabri Malaysia issue. That is fine. If you know enough about it, it's fine. Then this is different messages, different methods. So this is regarding India, China, each having their relation in or engagement in Africa. So that is being discussed here. So this is important. Then on the op-ed page, the article here is regarding Israel's new law. So it is claimed that this is supporting racism and muzzling information. This is an important article on RTI Act amendment, that how this RTI Act amendment is defeating the entire purpose of right to information. So this is regarding that. And this is an important article here. This is marking the 100th year of Montague-Chelmsford reforms. So Montague-Chelmsford report or such is called India's Magna Carta. So this can have, there can be a question in mains on this too. So this is very, very important. It's the centenary year. It was in 1918 that Montague-Chelmsford report came. Then on page 10 you have this news, VVPATs will be ready for Lok Sabha polls, says Election Commission. So this is regarding VVPATs, voter verifiable paper audit trails, the machines as such. Then on page 11 you have this news, it's not straight to detention centers for those not on NRC, National Register of Citizens of Assam. So this was a clarification given by the Home Ministry. So this is detailed out here. Down here you have this news, India proud to be Africa's partner. So since Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a visit to African continent, so he has laid down 10 guiding principles for deepening India's engagement with Africa as an entire continent. So this is regarding that. Then on international page you have this coverage regarding Pakistan elections. And there is no important news on business page. And on the last page you have this news, underground lake detected on Mars. So this is important news which you need to cover. So these are the important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for today. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for a current affairs course. Details are provided here. Also, on a daily basis, you can download the PDF file for current affairs on our website, aashah.com, in the current affairs section. So the month of July to daily PDFs of news, editorial, and even the lead articles, edit page and editorial page and op-ed page articles are covered up here. So a PDF can be downloaded here. So that is it. Thank you.